Hey everyone, my name is Jason Jaworska, and I'm recording a quick speed run of a new feature that we released recently that I'm curious about. And it's this one here, inherit environment variables from other jobs. So what this will let you do is set an environment variable in one job and then use it in another one, which sounds pretty cool. It uses this dotenv thing. I don't know how it works, so I'm doing this blind. And yeah, it'll be fun to try. So let's go to the documentation for this feature. Let's also get a new project started that we can test this out in. Test in something. Fine. Make it public. Initialize it. Great. Okay, you can inherit environment variables from dependent jobs. This feature makes use of artifacts reports. Dotenv report feature. I don't know what that is, but let's check it out. Artifacts reports dotenv. Okay, they link me down below for some reason, but it could just be a browsing thing. The dotenv report collects a set of environment variables as artifacts. They are registered as runtime created variables of the job. There are a few limitations. Yeah, okay. I don't think I'm gonna run into that. That's kind of a strange limitation. I don't, but okay. Does not support variable substitution. Okay, that's fine. So you can't have like recursively expanding variables. Doesn't support empty lines or comments in the .env file. Okay. Does not support quote escape, spaces in quote, or new line expansion. Okay. Hopefully we won't run into any of those things. So here's an example. We create, so yeah, it looks like you just make a simple, a .env file, typical that just has assigning a variable. And then you can use it here if it depends on this. So it doesn't look like there's any magic that happens in here to say I want to specifically get the variables there. But yeah, let's see what happens, and let's maybe also I can already see something that's maybe going to be. I'm curious what it will do. But let's put this in here. So build stage, script, echo build version hello into the build end. Okay, let's just run this thing as is and see what it does. So test the example. There's also an example here with needs. Enable inherited environment variables. I'm assuming since I'm using GitLab.com, that's not necessary, but it's not really clear from the instructions. Priority. Yeah, priority is always complicated. But let's go see what this thing is doing. If you can hear my son in the background, he's just almost 1 year, so he just likes to whine all day. Just makes that sound. Okay, this is running. Yeah, but we'll try it maybe with needs next if our first example works, and then we'll try and get extra fancy. We can tee that up actually. Actually, I know what I want to try for the other the thing that I was curious what it will do. So what if I have a build 2 in here, stage build, and my script is echo. Let's start simple hello 2 into the build.env. Save this report artifact called .env. And then let's also need or use build 2. Curious what this will do. We can go back and check our pipeline before I commit this, because I don't actually want it to cancel the running pipeline. Ruby is a pretty heavyweight I'm also going to change the image to just Alpine, which should be fine for what we're testing here. Let's see, echo build version. It didn't echo anything. So it seems the variable was not set used by with the example that I copied and pasted. So let's see if we can figure out what we're doing wrong. So build, ran on stage build. Let's look at the log for that one. Oops, wrong one. So echo build version equals hello into the build env. It did it. It found an artifact and it matched. I don't know why this one didn't pick it up. Downloading artifacts didn't seem to do anything. Okay, well, maybe that example doesn't work, which isn't great. But let's grab the needs example and see if this one works, at least. Then we can try our idea with the other. Okay, so needs, job, build, artifacts, true. So try. Let's go watch our pipeline. Oh, I removed using Alpine. Let's go back and fix that. Go back to our pipelines and see what this thing does. Hopefully this one works. Okay, so we created our build.env file. We uploaded the artifact. So deploy should start here momentarily if it's not already running. Yep, there it goes. And nothing was echoed again. So I don't know why it's not working, but I may be doing something wrong. Let's go back and just double check our documentation. Maybe the feature isn't enabled for GitLab.com, which would be surprising. Normally we don't launch things in this way if they're not, but yeah, I'll follow up with the product manager and see what's going on, and then hopefully record another video when it's working. Thanks. Bye.